Hi guys, welcome. Joe just sent me a link of his latest, newest EndeavourOS, and that's always fun for anybody working with Linux. You always want to try out something new, right? So here it is. ISO Next has arrived. You go and read this because that's why they put so many money and time and effort in making all these articles, websites, and of course, don't forget the distribution. Go read it. I'm gonna install it. I have EndeavourOS of today. Yes, it's the newest ISO of today. And like everybody else, I want to try out new stuff. So, what you do when you see this? Probably nothing. Here you decide if you want to go for an NVIDIA, a non-free, so proprietary drivers from NVIDIA. That's this line, and this one is without. But what I do is go in with tab or go in with an E and read. So these lines can be typed by yourself. You can type and add stuff if your hardware has problems booting up a Linux distribution. The best message I can give you is next time around you will buy hardware that supports Linux better than what you have now, because it is all about choices. And if you want to buy a new desktop or a new laptop, I first go and have a look if that's working with Linux überhaupt, right? So yes, think before you act. Go and search on the internet which hardware is working 100% with Linux and which are not. So you're warned, but there was this choice between NVIDIA, which is just about a graphical driver there. Even so, that matters as well. So we boot up. And we have a beautiful theming going on. Like awesome. No, it's not awesome. It's XFCE. But the theming is great, right? It's even a little bit transparent. It's beautiful. So you go and test everything of all these buttons, test it out, right? Software news, go and click general info. Don't forget this one. But I'm gonna install. And while it's doing its job, I'm gonna use that one as well. I'm gonna go offline. So I'm at the beach. And I'll get this, right? What you see is what you get. All right, so offline it is for me, boom. And basically it's the Calamaris switch that goes on in the back end. So it knows, hey, I need to go and get me this kind of Calamaris version. We'll check it out later. So I'm gonna go for American. So you can see that you can set Calamaris for the ISO developers. That we have a few ISO builders in our house or learning how to build an ISO. That's a possibility. You see, my language was Dutch. You can set Calamaris to propose the language, and he knows where I'm living, right? He knows I'm in Brussels, so we put it to Netherlands, but I want to have American English for sure, always. So Calamaris, version number, and off we go. Next, Brussels, next. And then we have Belgium, next. Erase disk. Thanks to Banjaro, let's give them compliments for their work, because thanks to them, this code came in to Calamaris as well, and we can now select different file systems straight away. No swap, the normal regular things. You choose what you want, and off we go. I want to see the login, which is LightDM. How do you know? Well, LightDM. It has the LightDM GTK greeter settings. But take a look at this, right? EndeavourOS. The images are just gorgeous. The word donating here. Guys, remember, everything costs money. If you're using EndeavourOS for your working system, your year in, year out, you're working with this operating system, please consider donating. What if you gave €1 a month? 12 euros a year, or dollars, or whatever, right? But if everybody, if 100 people did that, right? So consider donating and just writing over €1 a month. So it's auto-generated or auto-paid or whatever it's called. And the team can, well, count on a minimal amount of money coming in each month, which makes decisions making for servers and so on much easier. Voila. It's the reality of the world that everything costs money. This was a cool one, a very nice, interesting find. And it's for everyone. Everyone who uses Calamares, it is the same thing. Please be patient. Calamares is installing the system. Even though the process bar does not move, and sometimes that happens, some processes are simply not recorded by the progress bar. So this applies to any distribution out there that has Calamares. So yeah, it applies as well to Arclonics. Right? No can do. It's the way it is. It's a beautiful way of showing Calamares, show as a show model. I mean, then everything has been thought about. This little design here, the coloring here, the coloring there. Even if you do a neo-fetch, it's all beautiful. And that's what I like, right? Finishing touch, going for the 100%. That's beautiful. So we wait and we have a look around. So terminal emulator is XFCE4. File manager, Thunar, Firefox settings manager. Have a look at what's available. Quantum is there. Qt5 was there. Don't see it here, but it's there. So this is your standard XFCE. Appearance, maybe you're wondering, Arc Dark, Icons, Arc XD and Arc XP. Have to ask Joe what that means, the D and the P version. And the fonts are all normal, everything is okay. And it's finished in the meantime. Nothing to show here. Restart done. And we've got an offline installation, meaning it didn't go to the internet. So I was at the beach and didn't have internet, so I just said install whatever you have on the ISO. That's how I understand offline anyway. So this is a beautiful greeter. Again, wallpaper was nice, together with the general theming. And then this is entirely up to you guys. I'm not going to go and click every of these things, but now it's a nice welcome, and you click what you want to click or change what you want to click. Change what you want, I mean, backdiff, tools for useful things, update mirrors, browse all AOR packages, and so on and so on. That's for you to explore. In the meantime, we were looking at some apps here and so on. We're looking, so EndeavourOS is there, so that's the standard XFCE you got there. Melt, great tool, guys. Learn, if you don't know what Melt yet is, you're in for a treat. Great for development, great for editing and well, comparing files. So much faster and easier to work. And these guys is for you, right? Anything that has this logo means it's from EndeavourOS, which means it's gonna work and update my system. And there you go. It has been built today, right? Normal. Now we only have 2 little packages. And that's it. We are done. A quick review of visit to EndeavourOS. If you like it, try it out. If you like what you see, I mean, then, all right, try it out. There's also the online version, which I have not tested. I'll test it later. And remember, if you're using it like all the time, donate. Cheers.